Good morning everyone, it's Beck here from Hello, my name is Beck, popping in today to show you some happy mail that I've received this morning. I have received this happy mail from Lizzy Hill. She lives here in Australia and is a very good friend of mine, and I'm very glad to say that she is a very good friend of mine. So I just wanted to show you the packaging. We've got this beautiful flower just here, but she's cut this girl out of a magazine and she's just stunning. She's holding this massive array of flowers, and my favourite thing is this wrapping paper. Looks really quite vintage, and I love it. I'm hoping you can see the wrapping paper. Now I have cut open the wrapping paper on the other side so I can turn it over, and we can look through this happy mail together. Oh wow. So I'll move the wrapping paper out from underneath just so that you can get a good look at the happy mail here. So Lizzy has this new flip book design, or it's a happy mail design that I've asked her whether I could get the dimensions from. So instead of giving me the dimensions, she has made me one. But look at the beautiful papers. She knows my style. She knows. Let's compare that with my nails, yeah. So she knows the gorgeous bright pastel beautiful style that I have. So this girl here, she's a polka doodles girl. I actually coloured some of these for Lizzy, and it looks like she has actually used one of the girls that I have coloured, because I remember doing the stripy top, because that reminds me of Lizzy. She loves horizontal stripes and she loves blue. So yeah, this girl actually did remind me of Lizzy, because that's who Lizzy is. She's relaxed, she's easygoing, and yeah, she would definitely be a tree climber back in the day. So we have this beautiful round stitched circle here, and another one underneath or on top that says hello, and then you've got these enamel dots and then Velcro. So let's open it up. So we've got this side, and then open this side, and this is the happy mail that I asked to find out the dimensions for. So we'll look through it together and hopefully get an idea. I can see a join in the middle here, so I'm hoping that gives me an indication of what size we're looking at, so I can make my own, because when it's actually together, it's actually a really nice flat. I'll just bring it up. So yeah, it's really nice flat, and it would actually go through the Australian we've got, I think we've got 2 centimeters we're allowed to have before it well, it's a large letter, but before it goes up to a parcel. So let's leave that one in the middle, because that's a really good decoration. And then let's start on the side here. So we've got this pocket on the side that has this one, and then another pocket here that has this one, and then it opens up again. So that's those 2 pockets. So you can probably tell that I am actually really looking at how this is made so that I can work it out. So we've got this one, and this one that were all on this side. So one that was stuck, and then these 2 in the pockets. So let's open this one. Sorry, I feel like I'm destroying the paper just to get that washi off. Ooh, little Polaroids. Oh, cute. Sorry, I'm out of focus, out of the road. So we've got ice creams, and then we've got the love hearts. Oh, these are so cute. Are they digitals? Have you found them? They don't feel like they're digitals. They feel like they've been found in a shop, or in an op shop maybe. Oh, I really love those. They are so cute. Perfect for Valentine's. I'm guessing this could be like a little Valentine's or galentine's. Isn't that what they call it for girls, so that they can share the love? So I'll just show you that envelope. So the doily was wrapped around. We've got the wax seal, and then the two little, or the three little bellies, and then you've got these little bunnies. So I'll just pop that there. Then on this one, it feels like it's a paper bag, and it's got the create across the top, and then be kind to yourself, like a digital with some washi across, and then the glittery heart, and we've got some more dots. I say enamel dots, but they are actually quite matte, so they're probably not enamel. Some more decoration dots. That one just up there. Ooh, Lizzy, look! Okay, so we've got these beautiful tealy, sagey green sequins. This is one of my favourite colours. This colour is in my living room, in my curtains. And then we've got Happy Meal, we've got Butterfly, the dandelion with the seeds just flying away, and then either the lavender or the wheat, and then we've got some gemmies, and then even on the back it looks like we've got some cut aparts. Very cool, thank you. Love that colour. I even have a hoodie that colour, and it's my new favourite item in my wardrobe. I bought it I would say recently. I bought it recently. Okay, so in this one here is her letter to me. It looks like it's been typed on the typewriter, which I absolutely love, so I will save that. So that, yeah, that would have given me an indication, the little envelope on the front, to let me know that that was the letter. So let's close that side. Now I'm going to leave this empty so that I can actually study it and work out the dimensions. So then we'll move on to the other side. Once again, it's got that front pocket and the back pocket just there, so we've got two items slid in, and then we've got some decoration underneath, which it looks like those butterflies could quite easily come off and become my butterflies. Ha 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 ha. Okie dokie. So just in here, it looks like one of those zip lock bags, which is cute. And the Ziploc bag has the Disney princesses on the front with a bow that she's added, and a little gemmy. So pop that up there. So inside that Ziploc bag, we've got these beautiful cuties. Cuties. I think they'll probably end up in my journal, not actually going on a Happy Meal, just because they're just adorable. So we've got a pile of books, some envelopes, looks like some magazines, a stack of magazines. That's beautiful, that one there with the flowers. These are beautiful, Lizzy. Are these an Ali purchase? Yum, yum, yum. And then I love these when Lizzie gives me these. These are round circles to seal envelopes with, and these are handmade for you. So I'm wondering whether Lizzie gets rolls of these from Ali and then just chops them up and pops them into Happy Mail, because these are perfect goodies for people. Open Me, handmade with love, and then some more Open Me's. They're perfect. I love, love, love receiving those from Lizzie. That's a goodie that she knows will definitely get used in the Happy Mail community. So then we've got this beautiful silhouette paperclip up the top. I'm a fan of silhouettes, as you can tell from my logo, my YouTube logo and my Instagram logo. That is actually my silhouette that I use. And yeah, people call them cameos as well, but I've always known them as a silhouette. So perfect. Love, love, love. That's probably going to go in my journal as a page finder, a bookmark. And then this one here feels like a glassine bag. We've got the girl on the front, the fun, and then some more dots and decoration. We've got the doily. Ooh, it's actually an envelope, and we've got a wax seal just here. Oh, another one. Lizzie, I wonder where you're finding these. Super cute. And then, ah, nice. So I love the fact that she's used a book page and a stencil, and then coloured in the stencil, and not worried too much about the effect of it. It's really, really nice. And I'm guessing it's a book by Alan Tishmarsh. And then we've got some stickers here, so that's really cool. I can use those. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then we have the envelope in the middle. Is there anything on the back? Just before I don't want to sign off, I'll just quickly turn that over so everyone can see. So that looks like it's a cut file. And then we've got this here, which is fabric, which has been crimped around the edge, and then Live, Laugh, Create. Live, Love, Create, not Live, Laugh, Create. I'm obviously going for the Live, Laugh, Love, which is the automatic sentiment that most people have, or most designers use. So trying not to rip the tissue paper, but unfortunately the washi is too good. So I'll just show you on the front there, we've got this little collage here, which is cute. Time spent with cats is never wasted, so true. Miss Maker, that's really cute. It's on a little leather item. And then we've got a Felicity Jane girl there. She's cool. She's hanging out. And then inside we've got these beautiful embossed cardstocks. So that's a really, really nice raspberry pink. I've got the same cut file that she's used on the back. I'll be able to pop all those bits out and use myself. A doily, that feels like another cut file, like a doily cut file. We've got the gold, another one. Flowers, and then the minty green. Then this one here looks like another sticker sheet, which is Music in My Heart, and you've got the tape. People probably don't recognise those anymore, but cassette tape, and then it's just got the flowers coming out. That's really, really pretty. And then some more embossed card. So that's the baby pink very, very nice. Thank you so much, Lizzy. I will turn this over so that people can see the beautiful image on that side, and then we'll have this one tucked in over here, and then bring these back in. Can't wait to read your letter after this video. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, and I will be studying this to see how to make it. Alright Lizzy, thank you so much. I love everything you create. Just your spontaneity and your vision always comes together in the most beautiful way. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Take care. Lots of crafty love out there in the community, and I hope you're all well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!